We have this Dyson vacuum cleaner just about completely disassembled, and I'll show you how it goes back together. We had everything apart to wash it, and this is a filter here. It's been washed, dried for at least 24 hours. Now you notice there's 2 pegs on the inside here, and there's arrows. All the arrows line up. Really, they make it pretty user-friendly. There's 2 notches right here. Those 2 tabs line up to the notches. It spins down, and all 3 of those arrows will line up. This side of the ball can go on out, and this is just a nut on the other side, so it goes over the screw and then threads on. These 2 halves snap back together and fold back down. And these red tabs, you'll push down this way and then fold them down into their slots, one on one side and one on the other. The head is gonna slide back on here, and you pull down on this tab right there. So we'll slide this in place. Put this back together. This will just slide right back in. We'll put the handle into the tube, and whenever you slide this down, slots on either side, we'll turn it on.